All right, here's what we're looking at. That's kind of straight, which it ought to be because it's bolted to this great big flange. But then as soon as you get above the flange, there's a nice bend in it. And that bend goes all the way back to there. And then this straight piece wants to continue. That's got a twist in it. This piece here is twisted in. But then the piece behind it is just all bowed out. And that is causing the springs that hold this arm down to rub against there and there, which is causing the wear on the springs. So, looks like I'm going to be taking these hydraulic lines off. I just indexed them so I can put that one back where it belongs. And therefore that one has to go back where it belongs. Just identified another crack there. It has to be repaired. Let's see if I can. And then there's another crack right there that has to be welded. So we'll just keep looking for things to fix, marking them, and then we'll disassemble this. We'll take these hoses off. We'll set this arm back down. And then we'll pull that pin. We'll pull the whole arm, the pump, or not the pump, the motor, the bearings, and the feed wheel will all come out of that hole. Just pull that all out. And then I'll have full access to the whole side of the case to repair it. I just marked it to show how crooked it is. How bent it is. Pretty far out of line. And what it's actually doing is, you see that guy right there? It put an 1/8 of an inch bow pushing that out. So when I get the arm out, I'm gonna try to move that guy in and this guy in and realign everything, because in the final analysis, this upper roller and that lower roller are off. The upper one is offset this direction by 1/4 of an inch when it's all the way down. And that is determined by that ear right there and that guy there. So, yeah. Looking like a little bit of open heart surgery here. Off we go.